Oh, my fathers, my ancestors, the land of Zaire and its people, may you live forever. As I smell your fresh air and look over our green forest that abounds with wildlife and many minerals, I am invigorated to work even harder for my people. I now realize, my ancestors, that the greatness of the kingdom you left behind is the secret of the success of his people. Oh, how I love this land.
My lord.
What?
The journey is set.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
Is my pipe in the bag?
Yes, my lord.
By the way, where are my two lovely daughters?
They are inside, my lord.
At this time?
Yes, my lord.
Cleaner? Cleaner!
Yes, father. I'm coming.
Come here, my darling.
Good morning, father.
Good morning, my daughter. How did you sleep?
I slept well.
Good. And your sister?
Guess she's still sleeping.
I should have known better at this time. Could you call her for me, please?
Very well.
And father, why are you dressed like this?
In fact, that's why I called the both of you this morning. I have to see my friend Nyato in the next village. Yes.
Father, don't be there so long, please.
I wouldn't be long, but I should be back by sunset. I want you to promise me that you will be respectful to your elder sister.
I promise, Father.
You sure?
Sure, Father.
Now you promise me. Please take care of her. Do that for me.
Father, I've always been taking care of her, haven't I?
Alright, then we should be going. But the distance is challenging, even for my age. I will be back. What?
I need flowers and bush meat.
You know when I travel, I always bring something good for you all. Guard!
Yes, my lord.
We should be going.
You always talk too much. You talk too much.
Can cut an animal?
Yes,
Pepper soup, or you know, Fuji's. You was calling your friend Fuji's.
Hello, yo.
Hello, girl.
Come on, Ancestral.
How you coming?
Hello,
Check for the handsome and practice. Look at it. You know what thing? You know what you can do. I tell you, come from a Queen girl.
Okay,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Tom.
I thought you said I love food.
Oh,
Here you are. Thank you, car. Thank you, car.
Okay, guys. Hey, yeah. I hear you talking something. When you come back, I'll hear my own.
Good day, my lord.
Hey, Sedi.
Yes, my lord.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from town and I'm going on a farm.
Oh, that farm.
Yes, my lord.
Look, see, please come closer. Your wife is complaining. There is much to be done. I don't let any of my wives complain. Please find time for her.
Yes, my lord. You know farm work and not work, Chief?
Look, find a balance. It will bring smiles into the house. I want to hear good news when I come back.
Yeah. Your words are final.
Thank you.
Good day, my lord.
Anyway, I do it to now when yeah. 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 Anyway, I do it to now when yeah.
Touch it!
Anyway, I do it to now when yeah.
Touch it!
Good day, man. Beautiful sister.
You know, someday, I will be the queen. And you will be a servant in my household.
If that be the case, I'll be so happy to serve you. Because you know what? You are so beautiful, attractive, intelligent, and above all else, very, very brave. But sister, what makes you so honorable?
Because I am so sad that everyone loves you and everything you do, and it pisses me off. But you know what? When I become the queen, I will make sure that everyone, every single person realizes that your silly kindness is nothing but weakness. Oh! My sister, I hate this girl.
I don't know why my sister hates me so much. For every time I try to appreciate her, she gets angry. I'm Sarah. Sarah must hear this. Yes. Sarah must hear this. He must hear it.
I have really been blessed by our ancestors. Oh! Babe! Look how fine I am. By the time I will hit and get somebody so beautiful to help me out of this village, I will give that person my beautiful lips. Look how cute it is. Look at my nice eyebrow like I'm a woman. Oh God. I know. If they don't even take care properly, I'm sure next time they will be calling me Numujicious. Not all these local Lumujis looking at me. I will go out of this town and I will make it. Come.
Yona.
Ma.
My son. Yona. Can't you feel sorry for me at least to take me on the farm to do some work?
Ma, what are you talking about?
I'm talking to you, my son. I want you to take me on the farm.
What am I going to do in the farm?
To go do some farming.
The farm would reject me.
Why?
Ma, I'm too fine to be in the farm. Ma, what am I going to do? I can't even bend down. I'm blessed. I have to use what our ancestors gave me to achieve something for this family. Look at how beautiful she is. She's holding cutlass. It's an abomination.
So, pressing yourself the entire day and taking me on the farm, which one is better?
Our ancestors.
Which one is better, my son?
Ma, I said now what you are doing is better. My own would be thinking about how to get to the big town.
So how am I going to eat?
You have to go to the farm for now.
For now?
By yourself.
By myself?
Yes, ma.
Is that what you are telling me?
That's the only
By
thing
myself?
Now. Yes, ma.
So what are you saying in this case? I don't want to go on the farm. What happened? When I take a rest when I farm, I'll come and cook him and I'll eat it. I'll not get enough food to eat.
Look at me. Look at me. Princess Cleo, you should be a queen. You know, with a beautiful face, a beautiful eye, with a great African shape. And I know very well that no intelligent man in this village will be able to resist me. Yes, I should be a queen. Yes, indeed. I should be.
Princess Clayon. Princess Clayon. Of course, no man shall be able to resist you. Indeed, you will be a queen.
You look so terrible, and the smell is so bad. Who are you?
It doesn't matter. In fact, I have just come to acknowledge your queenship. And you're becoming a queen? It's possible. You are blessed with an irresistible beauty.
How did you know that?
Oh, of course, I have been standing here for some time watching you. And with great admiration. My princess, I ask one favor of you since you want to fulfill a dream.
Which is? What favor is that?
Before I ask the favor, let me say, I may look mad, but I'm not a madman.
So who are you? Like really?
I'm a man whose heart is made heavy by unbearable grief. But I believe in you lies the solution to my problem.
Which is?
Princess, bathe me, clean me up, and restore me to normalcy. And by doing that, you will fulfill your dream.
Now I know that you are really, really mad and stupid. You expect me, Princess Cleo, to bait you? You? Huh?
Princess, will that take anything away from you?
Of course, yes! My royalty. Every Princess Portier can do that. And not me. Don't even say that again.
Okay, Princess, please, don't get angry. I know I'm asking what I may not deserve, but please tell me, who is Princess Portier?
Don't come any closer. Well, if you must know, my sister, that is so dumb like you, and has lost all her morals. Please, you know what? Just go. You look so terrible, and the smell is something else. Don't come close to me until you take your shower. Go! I said go. Go. Is he deaf? Go! Imagine the smell. Where did that man come from? Huh. Excuse me?
Princess, you are from the creek. What took you so long?
How do you know I'm from the creek?
Your beauty radiates the glory of the sun. And only fools will not notice you in particular places.
Don't flatter me.
There are consequences in flattering royalty. And besides, I told you minutes ago
Wait. Who are you?
A man seeking for help.
If that's the case, help you have found. Look at you. Smooth skin with a pointed nose. An elegant garment. You know, you are such a handsome man. And I am very sure there is no woman in this land who will be able to resist you.
No wonder. Everyone I can make contact with told me you are the only one that can help me.
Really? So they told you. They told you how generous the princess could be. Especially to those she loves. Right?
Your generosity is a sweet melody on the lips of every child in this village.
You know what? I am so overwhelmed with your presence. I don't care where you're coming from. So tell me, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
If I may ask, can I get a cup of water to drink?
Just that? Why not I serve you food in my palace?
Food? In your palace? How about taking my bath?
Excuse me?
Oh, I'm sorry, sometimes I can be very irritated, but I don't mean to aggravate you. But your royalty is quite tantalizing. I prefer to be safe here.
Is it because of my father? Look, I am a princess. Whatever I want, I get it. Just like that. Come on, let's go to my palace. I'd rather serve you food there. Let's go.
Interesting. But if I may ask, what kind of people do you make your friends?
People up to my class, like you. Come on, let's go.
You were here.
But you spoke of royalty. Who are you?
I'm the daughter of King Willie. Princess Forty is my name. Okay, lay down. May I ask you for a favor? Could you please protect my garden from any creeping creatures? Promise me?
Oh, please, my ancestors, bring this handsome man to me. Please.
My princess, My princess.
Oh, you just hold it right there. Hold it. For crying out loud, old man. Why have you been stalking me everywhere?
My princess, I see my future.
Oh, will you shut up? Just shut that thing you call a man. Shut up. So you think, in your wildest dream, that I, the princess, will marry you? You?
My princess, you sound confident. But in order for you to have what you want in life, you must deal with what is before you.
Yeah. Nice proverb. Nice.
Thank you for appreciating it, my princess. My princess! My princess! My princess! My princess! Ah, my princess!
You get out of here! Get out! Old, stupid fool.
My princess, you've done something to know me. You've done to me before in all the land.
So you are still confident enough to stand there and talk to me? You? Stupid fool.
Princess, you have committed a terrible atrocity in all the land.
Really? And what atrocity have I committed, old man? Is it by beating you up? Huh? Oh, don't you know that I am a princess, that I can get whatever I want? Don't you know?
It's true. It's because of your royalty. You still stand a chance.
And what chance if I may ask?
By lifting me up, you may regain lost opportunity.
I think I have overstayed. But let me tell you something, old man. Don't override my patience. If you like, die. If you like, rot. I don't bloody care. Not at all.
Portier! Portier!
Yeah?
Please give me food to eat.
Food is not an issue right now. Our ancestors, why have you allowed this old man to suffer so much pain? I'm so sorry, but how did he get here? Okay. Can I take you to a hideout where I can prevent you from my sister and especially my father guys? Then I can take very good care of you.
Okay. But there's one thing, Portier.
What?
Didn't you hear me call your name without your title?
It doesn't matter. I love to be called that way.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, I've never seen anybody as nice as you are.
Thanks for your compliments. But let me respond to my older sister. Okay? I'll get back to you.
Will you come back?
Sure.
Portier!
Yes!
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
I said I heard voices, so why are you looking behind?
No.
And your father wants you.
Our ancestors, why did you make Princess Clenium my sister? She's tormenting me.
Your sister has been so bad. Sorry, I did not mean to scare you, but I saw you crying so badly and you did not notice me coming.
Yes. I'm crying because of you.
Because of me?
Yeah.
Why?
You see, you are the kind of people I love helping. And one thing I way yesterday, but she made me leave with all full of water. And especially the bruises all over his body. I know he needed help.
You can describe it?
He's fat with a lot of bruises over his body. And I'm sure he needed help.
So, you want to see him again?
That would be the most happiest day of my life.
Are you sure?
Yes. Our ancestors. What's the meaning of all these signs?
Why did you come my way? Did you just come to tease me and then walk away like that? My ancestors, please. He is so handsome. He's so handsome. I beg of you, my ancestors, just grant me this favor. Make him come back to me. Make him walk my way again. Please.
Our ancestors, if I'm truly favored by you, confirm to me that it was his done. But something in me tells me that it wasn't him. But a mask. Only the Prince of Bewale wears. But if it was him, what did he come to do here? I'm too confused. Ancestors.
I've been telling you this so many times, that I want to be the queen of this land. Why would you let a handsome man like that is capable of making me achieve my dreams, just walk away like that? Just vanish into thin air, just like that? Why? This is not fair. It's not fair. I'm so lonely.
Princess Fatia, good day.
Good day, Zay. How are you today?
Fine. You look confused.
You won't believe it. I saw Prince Dan yesterday on the street.
Prince Dan? How? My mother told me that he rules a big town. And so what will he be doing here?
You are right. But he came in disguise. I later recognized him by the mask he wore.
You scare me.
Including myself. I'm so afraid.
Something tells me that he is in love with you and he will marry you.
Little Zay, what do you know about marriage? Prince Dan can never marry me.
Oh, Princess Fatia, why are you sounding like this? Is it an abomination for the prince to marry you?
Little Zay, you won't understand. You see, our village is very, very small. It's the smallest in the entire land. Besides, our tribe is the least. So there is no way Prince Dan can marry me.
Okay, Princess Fatia, but I hope our ancestors can make this possible to change our land.
No, little Zay. There is no way our ancestor can grant that favor.
Okay, my lovely princess.
Okay, little Zay. Why so? Why so? I have been searching everywhere for you. I had an encounter a few days ago and I'm greatly terrified.
Never be terrified by what you see. For such purpose those eyes are given to you. But rather be terrified by your feelings, because your feelings influence your imagination.
Because I'm so confused. I'm really confused.
Nadine, in a few days you encounter a stranger with a mask.
Yes, Wazo. And my confusion is?
Your confusion is he really the high prince of our kingdom to visit the least of all the kingdoms?
Tell me, Wazo, is he really the prince?
Many times we seek answers,
but most of the times we do not find answers that we seek. Continue to do your good work, because one day your answer will come.
Thank you, Wazo.
Wizo! Wizo!
Don't sit!
I'm sorry, Wizo. I was not instructed to.
Instructions are given to those who obey.
I said I am sorry. It's just that I am uncomfortable standing.
Comfort are given to those hearts that fight to obtain it.
Wizo, please. Do not be angry with your daughter. I have come with a heavy heart, greater than my current actions.
The weight of every man's heart depends on the burden he carries. But you do not carry anything.
Wizo, I do.
You came in contact with a stranger that is greater than your throne.
Greater than my throne? There is no one in this land of Zay that is greater than my throne. I am the first daughter of my father, the queen of my people.
Titles and military are never bought.
I have never bought any title. I inherited it.
The inheritance you seek you threw away a few days ago.
Why so?
By tradition you are the oldest, by merit you are the youngest.
I left my palace with a heavy heart in search of a solution to my problem, and I came to you. And the only thing you could do is to belittle me? Anyway, I don't have time for all this. Someday, I will get an answer to my problem from other Wizos. Remember, you are not the only Wizo. Excuse me.
You do not seek solution you already have.
That is your word.
The winds are swelling. Warrior and swallow will frown against you. And all the kingdom will frown against you. So, you already have.
Wizo! Wizo!
Don't sit!
I'm sorry, Wizo. I was not instructed to.
Instructions are given to those who obey.
I said I am sorry. It's just that I am uncomfortable standing.
Comfort are given to those hearts that fight to obtain it.
Wizo, please. Do not be angry with your daughter. I have come with a heavy heart, greater than my current actions.
The weight of every man's heart depends on the burden he carries. But you do not carry anything.
Wizo, I do.
You came in contact with a stranger that is greater than your throne.
Greater than my throne? There is no one in this land of Zay that is greater than my throne. I am the first daughter of my father, the queen of my people.
Titles and military are never bought.
I have never bought any title. I inherited it.
The inheritance you seek you threw away a few days ago.
Why so?
By tradition you are the oldest, by merit you are the youngest.
I left my palace with a heavy heart in search of a solution to my problem, and I came to you. And the only thing you could do is to belittle me? Anyway, I don't have time for all this. Someday, I will get an answer to my problem from other Wizos. Remember, you are not the only Wizo. Excuse me.
You do not seek solution you already have.
That is your word.
The winds are swelling. Warrior and swallow will frown against you. And all the kingdom will frown against you. You already have. Banana. Banana.
My elders, my ancestors, bless our land, and may our land flourish forever. I've called you here today because I have a great desire. As you all know, I'm supposed to be crowned as king in my father's position. And before that can be achieved, there are certain things that must be done. Our ancestors have gathered my thoughts. I want to get married.
Zayo, Zay!
Say!
Zayo, Zay!
Say!
Our prince, we thought this discussion was about war. But marriage? You have our support. In fact, not long ago I was discussing with some councilmen, and we plan to meet you on the same issue.
Our prince, it is a good thing to get married. But have you found the right one, or are you still searching?
Of course I'm still searching.
Searching? With such a great desire?
That's what I've come to you. With your wisdom and your guidance, I will be led into making the right decision. I will represent this kingdom. And as it is often said, a child that washes his hands clean shall eat with kings and elders.
Our prince, you have our support.
Waiting for you. It's the same story already. Why is it that you always late? You are never on time. See, even the sun is even setting. It's even getting dark.
My mother took a little time before leaving for the sun.
Are you the only girl in this village that has a mother? You are always coming in late talking about mama. Mama, what has mama got to do with this?
Oh, you need to understand.
Understand why?
Okay, if my mother have to come right now and meet us here, what would you say?
Mama comes.
You see, you and I know very well that tradition is against what we're doing. Until we are married, you need to accept this situation. If you love me.
Stop talking. Stop talking and
look at him. Who is my body?
What? Because of this small food you are insulting. Okay, take your food.
Sorry,
take your food.
I'm just joking.
Nah, I've even told my man. I'm sorry. I'm not even testing it anymore.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Sorry. Please look at me now. Please.
Let me
eat
test,
the food.
You let me test one and give the rest to you.
No, I beg you, eat all. Please, I beg you. Okay?
I know me. I don't know about you, but I know about myself.
No, I'm beautiful.
Ladies, the palace is a nice place to be.
Indeed, this palace is a nice place to be because people respect you, bow down to you.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
As for me, I make sure I stay in this palace.
See who's talking? When you are already hooked up.
Yes, oh.
Hey.
Good day, my maiden.
Hey, good day. How are you?
I'm fine. What about the thing you've been talking about?
What thing?
About the prince, of course.
You know I don't have power to tell the prince to marry you.
Why are you talking like this? You are one of the voices in that palace that can be heard. In fact, do you know the reward I'm going to give you in return?
Okay. I will try.
Now you are talking. I'm awaiting you.
Hello, Dolo.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Oh, Dolo, I invited you this hour of the day to seek your support.
You know I've always supported.
Yes, I know this. But this one is like I see it as my dream comes true.
Zola, considering the time, please get to the point. I have a lot to do today.
Okay, brother. Oh, Gedwo! Gedwo! Come here. Okay, I want you to turn around in front of Ella Dolo. Just turn around. That's my daughter. Look at her. How beautiful she is. Now you can leave, my dear. I think you saw her for yourself.
What's the meaning of this? I know your daughter very well. I see her almost every day.
Dolo, as beautiful as my daughter is she not woman enough to get married?
Oh yes, she is. In fact, I've been wondering at her age, what is she still doing under your roof?
Now you are talking. The prince made his desire known that he wants a bride. He wants to marry someone, his desire. And I see my daughter as the positive candidate.
But I guess you know our tradition does not go like that. It is the prince who will tell us who he desires or introduce the woman of his choice to us.
Yes, I'm aware.
Then what are you saying?
Dolo, you are my friend.
That I know.
And the closest kinsman.
You are right.
To the prince. I want you to talk to him.
Talk to the prince to marry your daughter?
Not just like that. All you need to do, first of all, find out if he has seen someone and if that person is my daughter.
What makes you so sure that your daughter will be the wife of the prince?
Good day, my prince. Good day, my prince.
Good day. And how is your father?
He's fine.
Be careful next time. You could hurt yourself even further.
My prince. Thank you, my prince. You are so kind. That's generous of you.
Don't speak those words. I'm simply your leader. You're my own people. And besides, the good leader serves his people. Let me help you.
So you see from whence I speak.
And what if she's not the one?
Then convince him to marry her. Tell him
those legs that he was rubbing that day, those are the very legs that are comfortable for his bed.
What are you doing here? Don't you know it's forbidden to be in a princess' secret chamber?
Well, I'm just imagining myself when I become princess of this palace.
You know what? You have to get out of this place right now. Now, before I call the gas.
Why are you talking like this?
No.
I thought it's between us.
No, it is not between us. You have to leave this place now, or else I will call the gas.
Look, please, let's discuss it.
No, get out. No, gas.
Oh, my wife, how are you today?
I'm fine. How you doing?
Yeah, great. What are you fixing?
I'm trying to make this on GB.
GB? Oh, really? I stopped eating this GB for a long time.
That's what I'm making it.
I hope you're not supposed to go inside.
I'm not supposed to go before.
I'm just telling you.
Mama, Papa, Kappa.
Oh, Gedo. My beautiful daughter.
Why? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Papa, why are you talking to me like that?
See how you are dressed. A whole incoming princess. Dressed in red.
Yes.
Hey.
Papa, this is my working clothes.
Shut up!
Papa, if I may ask you, what makes you to think that I am the one that the prince will get married to?
This is why I always tell you are a stupid girl. This is a vision. Can't you see? The prince does not have to go around, carry town crier to cry all over the land to come and tell you, Gedo, I'll marry you, Gedo, I'll marry you, before you believe it. It has already happened.
So, Papa, what do you want me to do?
Oh, great. My daughter, you have just said something. It's very simple. It's a responsibility to ensure that the prince set his eyes on you for marriage. Look good for him. Look attractive.
Papa, is that all?
That's all, my dear. That's all.
If you insist, then prepare to make the palace your home.
Oh, Neyewe. Oh, Neyewe. My wife, please hurry and fix the GB so my daughter will eat some.
My ancestors. Why can't the prince set his eyes on me? Am I not beautiful? I'm different from all the other girls in this village. I dress differently. My parents own a lot of land in this village. Why? Why can't the prince set his eyes on me?
Honestly, to be very, very frank with you, if I did not get the assurance from you, I was going to kill myself.
I don't even know why you are bothering yourself. I've told you over and again. Since I set my eyes on you, I've been involved. And it's from my heart.
So tell me,
what?
Where did the idea of you getting married to the prince come from?
Stop, please. Stop right there. I've told you this is my father's idea and not mine. So please don't go there with me. Thank you.
Your father's idea?
Yes.
So what if it stings?
Well, if it stings, then prepare to make the palace your bedroom.
The palace,
But what is this? Don't follow me. Are you seeing that all my effort, my money that I'm spending to make sure that the prince marry you, is this what I get in return?
But father, I'm in love with him. I'm not in love with the priest. I don't want to get married to him.
Father, you were planning to get married and I was going to tell you.
Did I ask you to talk?
No, but I was going to inform you.
Did I ask you to talk?
My people, of all the elders in this kingdom, I have called you here because of your wisdom. Especially so when since I became your leader, this is the first time I'm hearing such a disturbing story. That a father who ought to be an elder will be upon one of our promising young men and even suggest that I'm supposed to be married to his daughter. From whence did you get such an idea? Now tell me, elders, for such abomination, would I be wrong for passing judgment upon him?
Our prince and the incoming king of our kingdom, I'm now beginning to see in you the wisdom of your father. During his reign, he always solicited our support.
Oh, our late king, may our ancestors protect our prince while he sits on the throne.
Our prince, I can assure you that you have our support. I warned Ziola several times, but he just wouldn't listen. Zola, didn't I warn you? Didn't I?
More besides, this is disgraceful for an elder and a father to force a daughter who is in love with another man to entice the prince. This defies our land and tradition.
Zwilla?
Yes.
You've heard the allegation was leveled against you by your townsmen. Now tell me before these elders, do you have a defense?
Ziola, speak out.
My prince, I deeply apologize for my action. And to my daughter,
Yes, Papa.
I am very sorry for what I have caused you. And to the young-in-law, even though my heart is heavy, but it is the will of the ancestor.
My elders, because Zwilla here has admitted guilt, and of course he has apologized, it has reduced the intensity of my anger, and so I will show some mercy and reduce his punishment. But however, I must take a decision to have Zwilla whipped before the tree of anger, so that others in the future will learn from his example, his bad example, and avoid the road that he has taken. As for his daughter, it is my decision that she is free to marry whomever she wants. That is the practice and the tradition of this kingdom that we uphold. This is my decision that I take.
Our friends, incoming king, may our ancestors protect you as you govern us, your people.
My ancestors, I present to you the cursed one. The one who has desecrated our tradition out of ignorance. But because of the feast season, the minimum punishment I could prescribe is to have him whipped, so that perchance you have mercy upon our land, in order for us to prosper, that the crops may grow. My ancestors, Honda.
Yes, my prince.
Sister, why do you hate me so much?
It's not as if I hate you as you claim. But it's your behavior and activities that I hate.
I see nothing wrong in helping our people. They are our people and we ought to help them. You know that.
There you go again, Pote.
Okay. What do I do now? Tell me.
I'll tell you. You are a princess. So behave and act like one. Stop asking me silly questions. Ooh, the weather isn't so friendly today.
Sure. Go to the village square and just play.
Village square, you know that's not my thing. Ah! Wait till you see where? What is wrong with you? You have started again. You have started again. Did they call for your help?
She doesn't have to. But sister, remember we are princesses. It's our responsibility to take care of them, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do just that.
What?
Somebody help, please. Somebody help.
I really don't know.
Suit yourself.
I cannot help falling.
Somebody help, please. Somebody help. Somebody help. Thank you so much. But somebody help.
My lovely daughters.
Yes, Father.
I recall when I was a young boy in this village, my father talked to me about many things every evening. He talked to me about how our young brave men defended our land against enemies. He taught me to be strong. He told me about our resources, our forests, how we should protect them, our wildlife. He told me something about our trees, 2 special trees that we should always keep in mind. The kola tree and the palm tree. I recall he said, he who gives kola gives what?
Life.
Right, gives life. And at every occasion in our land, kola plays an important part. Protect our kola trees in the village. he told me also about the palm tree. And he used to climb himself. Yes. No young man of his day could compete with him when it comes to felling the palm tree. No way. He climbed so fast and gave us palm nuts. I used to be on it picking. Today, many of our young people in this village cannot even climb a palm tree. Your mother used to admire me the way I used to climb. But time has gone now. I am of age. And you know that I didn't have any sons. You two are my children. And I want you to remember that those two trees are very important in our culture. Our family is the custodian of our traditions and our customs. So you should know them as I am now getting old. One day, you should be telling your children these things. Now, tell me, what else do we do?
This freak wants here. You are not serious. Everything is yours. Come and take it.
Hey, I said stop it! Stop it! Stop fighting! What's wrong with you people? You! What is wrong with you? You're just so stupid and silly.
Why me stopping my little friends from fighting makes me silly?
And who are you fighting?
The kids, they are my friends.
Look at them. They were not fighting. They were only playing, right?
Leave me, we were fighting and will not take away this food.
And will you shut your mouth, you stupid rat? Do you know who you're talking to? Do you? Suit yourself. As for me, I'm out of here.
Then when will you ever change? When will you love your own people? And by the way, who owns this business?
IEA.
Can I have it? Okay. I'll get you a new one and get you a new one. But I don't want you guys fighting, okay?
In fact, you are the best princess in the entire kingdom. But your sister is so wicked.
Don't talk like that. She's not wicked. It's just that she's been so stressed out.
It's not true, my princess. She's wicked, and I will die if not for you.
No, don't talk like that. She's a very nice person, and I want you people to really love her. She's not bad. Okay? And you guys promise me that you people will never fight again.
We promise.
Okay, let's go.
I'm troubled by this.
Do not be droopy.
You call me Durupi. He was one of our greatest warriors in this kingdom. How can you compare me to Durupi?
Your decision to marry a crown woman has equated you to Durupi. Remember, Durupi was a peacemaker, even though he was our greatest warrior. Our ancestors believed that as things modernize, in the long run, there will be internal conflict between the crown ethnic groups, the Gio and the Manda ethnic groups, which you rule. And they strongly believe that your decision to marry a crown woman will bring about a blood tie. And so when the time arises, our people will see reason to reconcile with each other, to make peace with each other, because there is a blood tie.